So this way, I think we're going to have a lot of putting out of the dead wood.
Hello and welcome to another adventure in the Calumet Wilderness with Sam Love. I am your host, Sam Love. We got wind, we got fire, we got all kinds of cool things today. Stick around. So I'm out here on the Spring Lake property of the Izaak Walton League. We are right on the edge of Hobart and Gary. In fact, this fence line over here, I think that is what demarks Gary. We're gonna do a small burn today of this prairie. It's only about 6 acres, nice and flat, so it should be easy. Spring Lake branch of the Izaak Walton League dates to 1989. So I don't know if this particular property was used for any type of recreation before that. So this is Lake Matt Joy. It's a 20-acre lake. No clue how deep it is, but nice feature off the interstate. I believe it's a borrow pit, or maybe it's a burrow pit, or a borrow pit. I've heard these things described all these different ways. And these are, of course, holes that were dug to get material to provide the foundations for the interstate highway, I-65 here. So you'll see these bodies of water next to interstates. Of course, just on the other side, there's Robinson Lake. You know, there's also Lake Sandy Joe, just off the Borman near Black Oak and Gary. Of course, that's a toxic waste dump. It's an interesting property out here. You've got this 6-acre prairie, there's wetlands. To the north is another wetlands of Shirley Hines property, the Ivory Wetlands and Hidden Prairie, which you really can't access unless you go in there with someone who works for them. Just a couple of blocks north, you've got a Glen Park neighborhood. Kind of happy. This marks my 10th year of doing volunteer burns with Sandy O'Brien. So I think that's amazing. I'm really happy to have you all with today. All right, I gotta go find the crew. I sort of struck out on my own. Just wanted to explore the property a little bit before we get to work. It's kind of a cool little trail out here. It is extremely windy today. In fact, some of these gusts coming out of the south are about 35-40 miles an hour. We are also right near I-65. We are just a little bit to the west of it. There is a small part of Hobart that is west of I-65, and we are in it here.
Humidity is supposed to be really low, so there's always a chance of bonfires when the humidity is this low.
Yeah, so that's my sign to get moving away just a bit. Getting closer. Jesus Christ. My God, I was about to say that got lucky the wind shifted, but it shifted another way. Whew. Warm. So these controlled burns mimic a natural occurrence. You know, lightning strikes, some dry leaves, and then a forest fire starts. And what the fire does is in short, it gives an advantage to the native plants. because they're evolved to deal with periodic fires. A lot of the invasives aren't. So that is why we burn. It's not just because fire is awesome. It does provide a benefit to the natural ecosystem. I'm going to take advantage of my time out here to walk into this wetland up here just to take a peek. All right, we're peeking around out here. Saw 3 sandhill cranes. Couldn't really get a good shot. Oh, the frogs and toads came back home. Not bothered at all. Sometimes people think, well, you know, fire, oh, you're gonna kill these insects and animals, and nah, they know to get out. Remember, they're smarter than us when it comes to this realm. You can see this is charred, still smoldering at the end, but it's not even hot to the touch. That's why I have holes in the bottom of my shoes. All right, that's it for the day. That wasn't bad. So thank you for joining me on a very windy, wet, and fiery adventure in the Calumet wilderness. We'll be back for some more adventure soon. You all take care, all right?